Today we have a puppet show for our little kids introducing a story of Ramayana. Let's start. Once upon a time on the land called Ayodhya, there lived a king Dashrath. He had 4 sons Ram, Lakshman, Bharat, and Shatrughan. Due to some series of events, Dashrath's eldest son Ram went to exile for 14 years and he leaves Ayodhya with his beautiful wife Sita and younger brother Lakshman. Our puppet story unfolds a forest where one day Sita lays eyes on a beautiful deer. She found it the most beautiful creature she had ever seen. She asked her husband Ram to catch the deer for her. The deer was sent by Ravan, the evil king of Lanka, who has 20 hands and 10 heads. Deer lure Ram and take him away from his wife Sita and brother Lakshman, so that Ravan could kidnap Sita and take away her to his kingdom Lanka. When Ram was chasing the deer, it imitated the voice of Ram. Deer cried out, "Sita, Sita, for help." Lakshman and Sita both heard the voice and got frightened. Lakshman left Sita to save his brother Ram, but before leaving, he drew a line outside the house and asked Sita to not to cross this line, no matter who come over this door. This line is called Lakshman Rekha, drawn by Lakshman for Sita's safety. Ravan come over there as he was just waiting for the opportunity. Ravan disguised as saint to borrow something. He asked Sita to come close and bring something soon. When Sita come close to Ravan, she realized that he is not a holy man, but Ravan, the evil king. Ravan kidnapped Sita and took her away to his kingdom Lanka. Ravan kept Sita as a prisoner in the beautiful garden Ashok Vatika. He gave her 12 months to decide if she wants to live with Ram or marry with Ravan. Back to the forest, Ram and Lakshman didn't find Sita anywhere. They met Hanuman and Sugriv in the forest during the search of Sita. Ram chased upon the monkey army of Sugriv. Hanuman was sent to meet Sita and soon he showed a piece of Sita's jewelry to Sita given by Ram in hope that somehow he reached to her and give her Ram's message. He told Sita that Ram is coming with monkey's army to save her. Monkey army built a rock bridge on the sea to reach Sita. It is said that the monkey army picked a huge piece of rock and wrote Ram on it and create a floating bridge on the sea. After reaching Lanka, there was a battle between the army of Ravan and monkey. During the battle, Ravan lost his important people like his brother Kumkaran, and his son Indrajit was also killed. Then began the greatest battle between Ram and Ravan. Ravan yielded its all 20 hands, but all his weapons were blown away by Ram. Every time Ram cut off one of the Ravan's head, but another one head grows back and back. At the last, Ram remembered the Brahmashastra bow received by Brahma and used it to kill Ravan by targeting bow on its navel. At last, Ravan got killed. This was the end of the battle and the triumph of all the goods over evil. This day is celebrated as the Shera, and even today we made the huge effigies of Ravan, Kumbhakarna and Meghnad and burn to remember that good always win over evil. Thanking you.